Hello, I'm in a 2013 Lexus ES 300H, and today I'm going to show you how to use the front and rear defrost settings. So your fronts are going to be these two symbols. So with this activated here, it's going to turn on this fan that blows directly into the glass up here. And you can control the setting now with the fans controls. And you can make it go hotter or cooler. Typically you'd want it hot so it's melting any ice or snow. And even if you've got it really hot, you still might want the AC turned on, just because that AC will pull moisture from the air so it doesn't fog up the glass so much. And when you're finished with it, you can turn the fan all the way down, or you can just turn that off. When that light's off, your front defrost is going to be off. And within your different modes here, you can have it set to, so you've got this on, and also have it so it like blows under your feet as well, so that way you're warming your feet and the glass. So that's off now. And then for the rear, the way that works is, if you can see in the video, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when the rear's defrost is on, those heating mechanisms are turned on. So then those will work to melt any ice that's building up. And same process when you're done with that. Just turn it off. And if this isn't working properly, the first thing I check are fuses. Maybe you've got like a bad fuse that's making this inoperable. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.